it's time for a little treasure hunting on the beach. We found something! Quick, grab the colander! Talk about golden! We found Hunrix! We've got 3 little mermaids! Why don't we take you 3 girls home? But don't forget to keep them hydrated. In the meantime, we need to make you an aquarium. Aw, you can practically see how excited they are for it. Only the best sand for our favorite K-pop demon hunting sirens. Of course, even sand can use a good raking. Although Zen gardens have led to this. And what every aquarium needs, a treasure chest.
Wow.
It's filled with a bunch of giant sand dollars. Next, we're gonna need some color. A bunch. Mix them up together and run it through our machine. It'll make it nice and flat. Anyone else expecting pasta? Well, either way, we're making some stuffed shells. We need a nice imprint. Don't forget a nice pearl on top. It's 3 thrones for each of our K-pop queens. Aw, they're sitting on each other's colors. Zoey's upset. She needs some atmosphere. Time to bring out any writer's secret weapon, the 4th wall. Why don't we add some cool stained glass artwork? Of course, we need it to be Hunrix coated. And I'm pretty sure some colors wouldn't hurt either. Our favorite K-pop demon hunting girls deserve the whole rainbow. Wow, this is a real work of art! Okay, girls, get ready for your new backdrop. Aw, Zoey's perked up, but Rumi's hungry. And our stars deserve their food to be fresh. So we should really start right at the seed. Don't forget, we need to water them. Not too much. Wow, talk about fast food. And it's a pineapple. Open it up. Ooh, did you find SpongeBob? No, but at least we've got all these cool blocks. Why don't we whip up the girls a fun little food stand? Topped with some top ramen. Not to mention, a few photos of our favorite customers-to-be. Of course, they're gonna need something to wash down their snacks with. We're open, complete with a friend from Sprunkyland to help out. Come on, girls, you 3've got a date with some noodles. It's got pepper and spice and everything nice. Hey, Sussy's got a delivery for us. A pipe by airmail. Why don't we split it down the middle? The crown is heavy, but the queen is strong. Either way, the crown jewel should have some fun. So let's use them in our latest craft. Ease on down the gem-encrusted road. Especially since it's actually a slide. And look, it rains gems. Where's my bucket? Wow, all this crafting is thirsty work. Hold on, that straw, it gives me an idea. We can use it to round out our new playground. and make the girls a fun swing set. But the girls are used to a bit of luxury. So make sure there's plenty of room to relax. And we want this set looking its fanciest. We'll get the coolest plants straight from the sea to decorate it. This coral is just what we need. And these sea leaves add just the right touch of green. Add some seashells. I hear they sell them by the seashore. And it looks like Mira wants to be our first customer. Uh-oh. Didn't quite stick the landing, did she? Don't worry. Your tinfoil hat is just what we need. Wow, headgear is really coming in handy today. Now let's cover it all up with some chewing gum cobblestones. Why don't we add a nice layer of blue deep down? Then add a layer of smooth stones around the rim. Now we can fill it up with our leftover shells. And gravel. Thanks, Derpy. Just what we need. Epoxy resin. This will keep our shells in place forever and ever. Just add a faucet, and we've got ourselves a new bathtub. Here, Mira, you can clean yourself up, and you've even got your very own sponge to help. Next, grab a straw and make some cuts toward the end. Throw on some googly eyes, and it's a seahorse. And you can't forget its loopy tail. That was so much fun. Why don't we make a whole bunch? Up next, yeah! I was hoping we'd have pasta today. Collect some in a little plastic bag. And mix in some of our special pink sauce. Shake it up and give it a chance to soak it up. Stick them in some clay to make our very own coral. Of course, we can't forget the final touch. Our aquarium is gonna need some aqua. That means water. Now our mermaid queens can swim around to their heart's content. We made sure everything's waterproof, right? Either way, come on in, girls. The water's fine. Life sure is better down here where it's wetter. Anyway, I hope they like their ramen with extra water. Wow, Mira's a mermaid! It's a dream come true! Let's hope the others sprouted some gills too. Ooh, Zoey's got a tail! And big bright eyes.
What?
Don't worry about Rumi. She's climbed out of bigger messes. Our little mermaids are gonna need a place to rest their fins.
Yay!
I don't think pieces of candy are the answer. Wait a sec. Candy is always the answer. And look. We can use the wrappers to decorate the walls. They even kind of look like mermaid fins. Kinda.
Wow!
And there's more than enough to fill things up. Wow, the rainbow fish must have been generous today.
Wow!
Home renovation is thirsty work. How about some juice? Is it empty? Good. We can use that container. She's always got a trick up her sleeve. A slip cover, but it needs something else. Twist and turn this pipe cleaner into a cool new shape.
Wow.
It's coral, the perfect thing for our seabed. Couch. Come on, girls. Why don't you sit down and relax?
Yes.
Hey, somebody's splashing around here. Oh, it's Mira, and she's got the right idea. After all, a mermaid needs to be near water. Just take a large hamster tunnel, like from a large hamster. Hang them up. They can become slides. Next, grab our special treasure chest. It's got just what we need, aquarium glass.
Wow. Aw.
Here's the fun part. Take a hammer and break it into gravel. Now we can use it to cover up the seafloor. And no one said that it can't be rainbow colored. Add some underwater decor, like a castle and some sea plants. Don't forget to make a little treasure chest of their own. The slides could use a little something too.
Yay!
Okay, girls, why don't you try them out? Come on, there's plenty of room down here for all of you. Ooh, it looks like Zoey's getting hungry. And I'm sure Mira can eat too. Take some scraps of paper. It's dull seaweed. Now add some filling on the inside. It's our very special mermaid gimbap. Made for mermaids, not out of mermaids. No mermaids were hurt in the making of this video. This should put some spring in your step. Just kidding. It's Romune. It's their trademark. You know, I think we've all earned a treat. Ooh, save that paper cup when you're done. Do you need an antacid? Or a breath mint? All good? Well then, let's get crafting. We can use it to make a TV castle. Wow, it even picks up Cool Tool videos. But it looks like Rumi wants to hit the hay. Or whatever the mermaid version of that is. Grab a zip pack and fill it with water beads. Seal it up tight and lie it down flat. Now let's add some color, like blue and green. Add some paper, down below and some on top. We need to spread the color out, so get smushing. Come on, I want to see some serious turquoise. Find some room for our seabed in the corner. All Rumi needs is some pillows and she can sleep. Or lie back and feel the beads between her fingers. Hey, who keeps throwing trash? Oh, it's you. What are you even looking for? A plastic bottle? Break it up and keep the bottom half. Draw a blue circle and carve it out. Now it's time to start heating things up. Make some nice shapes to put together. Hey, we've made a baby jellyfish. Of course, they need to float. Hang them up. And just look at how they light up the room. Besides, Rumi can use a little nightlight. Next up, grab an old glue gun stick. Now break it up into little pieces. But we really want to make sure everyone gets the point. Make sure you've got adult supervision, even if you are one. Who says an octopus's garden can't be well lit?
Yay!
Now enjoy some fun, well-written videos. You know, they're great singers, but they're real sirens now.